Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some installation of the mufflers, catback exhaust. We're going to put the L2 sensor. We're also going to do my water leak I got in the front of the car, this gasket, and we're going to bleed the brakes. And if I have enough time today, I'm going to start working on my electrical. I really don't want to get into it, but I have to. Stay tuned. Like I was saying, we're working on the CRX, the downpipe, brand new downpipe. I want to see if this will match up to the one I got down there with the K-swap headers. Hopefully it does. I don't have to do no modification. If I do, the guy here doing welding, maybe he can help me. Under the car, I got my jacks in place. I'm going to be married those two together. Hopefully, let's see if we can see it there. Alright, you see that guy over there? He just hooked me up, bro. Got my pipe right here. Doing the K-tune flange to my K-tune headers. We're going to see if everything lined up pretty good. We're going to finish the welding and I can have my stuff back in the car. So, hopefully in a few hours we get this shit done.
Take me,
Hey, welcome back guys. So we put the muffler in all the way through. I have to weld a little hanger in the corner over there. Besides that, everything was smooth as hell. Everything is perfect in place. I still have to do the O2 sensor. We're wired to the inside of the bait, inside the car. And all that, and I'll be done with that end. It's pretty cool. Let me give you a shot of the well. Hey guys, I'm done for the day. Starting on the harness, kind of difficult for me. My God, I haven't been playing with a harness in years, so I'm gonna hit that next time. I'm only gonna go to my local place and get me the seal. I was working on that. I did my other harness for my battery cable alternator. And I did my pipe system today. And that's the hardest problem that I got. So I'll catch you in the next one, and if you guys know anything about it, let me know.